Have you ever dreamed of traveling back in time? Our destination number 3 for 2026 is not just an ordinary country. It is a world overflowing with colors, exotic scents, and endless history. Welcome to the Kingdom of Morocco, where ancient Eastern traditions meet the vibrant spirit of Africa in a blend you won't find anywhere else on Earth. In Morocco, you won't stay in cold, concrete hotels. Instead, you will experience the Riad. A Riad is a traditional historic house with an open inner courtyard, decorated with fountains, Andalusian gardens, and colorful Moroccan tiles, known as zellage. The amazing part is the price. You can find a breathtaking Riad in the heart of the Old Medina, starting from only $20 to $25 per night, including a royal Moroccan breakfast to start your day with full energy. Before we discover the flavors of Moroccan cuisine, if you love discovering the world's hidden gems on a budget, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Join our family as we travel together every week to a new destination that will blow your mind with its beauty and surprise you with its prices. Your support with likes and comments is what keeps us going. When we talk about Morocco, we cannot ignore the food adventure. The legendary Moroccan tagine is the star of the show here. Imagine a satisfying meal of tender meat and vegetables, slow-cooked over charcoal in a clay pot. This experience will cost you no more than $5 in authentic local spots. And don't forget the ritual of atay, or Moroccan mint tea. It's not just a drink, it's a symbol of Moroccan hospitality that you'll find in every corner. Morocco also offers priceless visual experiences for free. You can get lost for hours in the blue streets of Chefchaouen, which looks like a carefully painted masterpiece. Or head south to Merzouga for the adventure of a lifetime, riding camels and watching the magical sunset over the golden dunes of the Sahara Desert. Pro tip for you: when shopping in the vibrant souks of Marrakech, never hesitate to haggle on the price. It's part of the fun local culture there. Morocco is a country that will steal your heart with its beauty and won't empty your wallet with its prices. Have you ever thought of visiting? Share your thoughts in the comments. And stay tuned for destination number 2. It is a real surprise and very close to many of your hearts.